I'm going to show you one of my favorite exercises to build more strength in the shoulders, the upper back and the arms so that you can start working on your handstands. Now, if you're an absolute beginner, then I suggest that you start with a simple downward dog. This is going to be a great challenge to begin with, and I know for myself it took me a long time to build up the strength so that this truly did feel like a rest position. So start there, otherwise you can come with me and try this exercise. Always ensure you stabilize your shoulders before you begin. Heel of the hands are under the chest, chest is wide, shoulders are anchored towards the hips. Pike your bottom into the air and walk your feet up the wall to a capital letter L position. Really press your chest towards your thighs to increase the stretch and strengthening effect across the shoulders. When you've had enough, you can walk down with control back to your start position. When you're ready, you can reset your position and posture and pike your bottom into the air and walk yourself back up to your capital letter L position. This is a really strong stretch and it requires lots of strength. So there you have it. To begin with, you may want to start with some short bursts, so maybe 3 sets of 10 seconds. And when you master that, then you can try holding for a minute at a time. This is really going to transform your upper body strength and really contribute to amazing handstands.